let's talk about weird wonders. Wonders are a part of the magical world of Wyrd mates. Each one is a handmade creation or sometimes even a special purchase item. There are two tiers of wonders, moon wonders and sun wonders. Moon wonders are smaller treasures priced at $4 each, and sun wonders are more detailed items priced at $10 each. And each wonder is valued at or above its price, so you can be sure you're getting something special and often something worth even more than what you paid. Here's how it works. Each drawer is numbered, and each one holds a moon wonder wrapped in blue and a sun wonder wrapped in gold. When you order a Wyrd wonder, I'll use my Wyrd Deck to draw a card and choose the drawer that matches the number on the card. To get your own Wyrd wonder, you can head to the products section on the website and look for the Wyrd wonders listing. You can choose between the two tiers or grab multiple items if you want to mix. I also offer bundle deals which change regularly to keep things fresh. If you're curious about what's currently in the drawers, I post updates here on the latest treasures waiting to be discovered. I also share the Wyrd Deck drawings so you can watch your fate unfold when your wonder is picked. Whether you're adding some extra fun to your Wyrd mate or looking for a unique treasure, Wyrd Wonders offer a little something special for everyone. When you're ready to start your journey, head over to the website, weirdmates.bigcartel.com, and let the threads of fate guide you.